On top the South African ex-president matter, this one wey name na Jacob Zuma. They say his supporters are being fans, they don't come outside. Say make they release their president for being their ex-president. Say make they release them. And I remember say one judge come outside one time say, make this ex-president come outside so that they allege him say this man they corrupt, say he don't thief money. But as the matter be, this man no come outside, he no come court Saturday. Now there they come say okay, they want send this man to 15 months in jail. Or now they here now what we talk this matter. But as being people don't begin the riot. Then they complain, they protest. May they release this ex-president. But my people, South African people, the way that they do their own protest, I know they understand. Thief, they're part of their own protesters. As they protest, now so they grab. As they protest, now so they pocket things. I don't know why South African people wanna be like this. My people now go this how they lie, but if now see things where then these people carry, make now use na eye, see for na self.
Wema. Imali. Parang siya ba itsol? Ano ba nang sa itsol?
Ngazoshuta ndoda.
Hayi, shuta ba? Ngifaka imask manje ubonakala kanjani? Hawu. Yini the color is it?
I beg now, thiefing be this one being a riot. See person carry a whole old in the television, big television, carry and put for head. Say you go riot, you go protest. I never see this kind of protesting reach for my life. And it be like South African people, as they born on her, before they go even name on her, they don't inject her with teeth. They don't put one small teeth, blood mix inside her because why be saying this small teeth na the teeth? Airport na teeth. On our own president going iPad on a carry. Now you don't enter places, now don't you go places, go the thief. And I see what they happen. I don't know, bear this on a lack of education and being a poverty. On our ex-president, they won't carry and go court because of say waiting, because of corruption, saying they loot money. Now, see citizens, they don't go stand there, they loot things. In fact, ShopRite don't even try for honor. They're supposed to come out for that country because on our own they overdo. Any small thing don't break inside ShopRite, go they pack their things. What do they do on her? They offend on her. Innocent people who don't know anything, now go just go they carry their market. Person will give this law on a no go in house. Okay, we won't go protest. No go stand for front of the house. Shout. On a no go there. On a carrying us, person even get my carry tractor. They carry things, motor, carry load. On a get power, on a really get mind. Because this one, I don't even see anything will be like protesting inside. In fact, I should say Mandela, he will cry inside the grave when they. Ain't just wasting 27 years. Because since he's saying that in the lead on into freedom, but on our mummuness, on our supposed day into slavery. They're supposed to tie in a bundle for once because on our mentality, it don't even make sense at all. Ordinary protest, where it's making a protest, now I don't go. Go scatter everywhere. Break places, enter KFC, I beg now the fried chicken, I won't go thief, I've been waiting, I won't go thief inside that side safe. The way that they behave, I know you understand. It just even make that South African country come off from my eye. And I beg, what did the president they do about this one? Now here supposed to bring out your police, all these people they thief, maybe they arrest them. If they say they want protest in peace. Anybody will go do mistake, go enter person shop, go thief, maybe they carry, maybe they bundle and put them inside prison. If they give them like 3 months inside jail, their eyes go calm down. If like say because they know they do anything about this thief where they thief. It can't be like saying now, it can't be like saying I swear. So if you be South African, you must thief. If they start to they put things in place, I sure say things go change. Because then these people they need orientation. And you know, being only African, they need better. May they sit there, put them sit down, then down. So if now want something, the girls they take one. No be about saying I go come as I say, the decision when I make, I won't go do this one. But I beg wait, as they arrest this man, what you want change? This man no be on a president. Now X they call him. I mean, I don't know the things we don't do. And I don't hear the things we do. As I not saying good, which like that, wetin make na vote am out. Na for live am na. Now na come dey now they complain say they arrest her. They arrest her. In fact, una matter dey vex me. My people abeg, I hear this one. I come say make I bring am come. Make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen inside this South Africa where we dey. Abi where them dey because me I don't even dey there with them. Now they know wetin they carry. Anything when I feel, make no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make no also forget to like and share this video. I go see you now for our next video. E don dey rain gunshot inside Imo State. This one na for the House of Assembly. As we gather am, they say they'll suspend some 6 lawmakers for the House of Rep on Thursday. Before we go see, people don't come outside. Don't start to dey shoot gun. On top of waiting, I say they suspend them. And this man will suspend them when name na Paul Amezie. I mean na Emezie. Take this decision say because of say that these lawmakers they behave like people wey know, you know. They don't grow, but they behave like say they never grow. They know they behave accordingly. They know they behave like people who be lawmakers. They know they behave right. Now they encourage us, okay, making suspending these people. Now then these people they suspend and no be the thing say the shooting of gun. Now ain't gonna be the solution to their problem before we go see. They just have to they shoot like saying a film and they act. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
This is gunshot firing everywhere in the State House of Assembly right now over the suspension of 5 honorable members by the Speaker of the House. There are sporadic gunshots right now at the State House of Assembly and people are scampering for their lives.
With this, you will know. I didn't send myself here. God sent me. And what God has done, you cannot undo. Today is the end of your reign.
The Speaker and his colleagues are scampering for their own lives. They have left the complex right now. Sporadic gunshots everywhere. See the House of Assembly full of talks, full of touts. The Imo State House of Assembly, the night house led by Paul Emezie.
He has been bundled out by thugs.
He has been bundled out by thugs.
He arranged for this.
He arranged for this particular sitting, bundled out by thugs.
Person why they even video this thing self, you even get luck. Say stray bullets no go touch your brain. No come here say you self don't die. Because you know as Nigeria be they shoot this kind gun, you still carry your phone. Say they record. Una they see them the hoodlums. Lawmakers so where be say na then they bring law, where be say people go here, they can't complain. Small complain where they complain. And I go carry soldiers, carry boys. Maybe they shoot, say na one fight. They, you know what they even surprise me. They can't come outside say they want protest against the way the man do. Who na they protest for? So a person no fit correct ona. It means say the youth for Nigeria now ona go they copy. Ona correct, they correct ona. Ona no wan gree collect correction. Na go carry am say they come they shoot people. Make they come they. You see am. Na they see Nigeria set up the day inside. If say na normal protest, na go don hear say one gun don't go touch person. But this one ona hear anything. God no meet any politician, he no meet any rich person. But if say na one kind poor man protest, you go don hear say God don't go keep person. It means all this police and all this soldiers, they know what they do. They know as they want to target and they know as they target person. So if it means say they want keep person, they reason now. But I beg all these lawmakers, this one way now come as I can't, it no even make sense. At least make na call this man wey suspend on now. He go get a reason. If na feel say that reason no dey enough for some special, na go call and say, oh, Oga, Mr. Lawmaker, this one wey you do, e no make sense. Reason am well, you no even suppose suspend us. Na go talk am through. Nobody want to say na conquer and make na watch this video well. He said truly, fight won't really burst for him. I no sure say then this woman wey sit down for, they go even still dey settled. They still dey relaxed and they don't even dey feel like say anything dey happen. And this suspension self, no be say na one sided though. Na both APC and PDP. When we know say all these people self na the same thing. Now the same government, so I beg, wetin come be the need? And I don't show us say all this wahala wey dey happen. Now go the cost now then these soldiers now they use. Because this one are soldiers, the politicians be the lawmakers, securities. Now they begin shoot this gun. So it means all this kata wey dey happen since now they use. But I just thank God say nobody die. We know here say bullets go meet anybody. But now no na ways. So I beg this suspension, you never reach this thing because they say Imo State now be one of the peaceful. So this is what I don't they do now, and I don't they turn the country upside down. So now people go they fear. You know what they hear say they should choose they do this one now if I don't carry na own come. I beg make na learn to they calm down. I sure say the get reason will make them suspend you. If na no do wrong, they no go suspend you. My people, I hear this one inside Imo. I want to make a bring and come, make na service na ear. Yeah, everything they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write and for the comment section. Make not also forget to like and share this video. I go see you now for our next video.